Good morning friends, welcome to Canines Coach. Friends, today you can see our training activities here in the morning. So he is Leo, he is a Belgian Malinois Indimis dog. So he is a highly non-social and very aggressive, and when he came it took 3 days for us to touch him. Gradually he came up, and look at, you can see how he is performing obedience with Deepak. So friends, the thing is that only the bonding, trust, the dog will perform. You need to make the dog to trust you by your methods. So you see how the dog is performing. So this is what you can expect your dog once if you build the trust and bonding with the dog. So this is 1.5-year-old Belgian Malinois and an Indie mixed dog, Leo. It was highly non-social and aggressive dog. So here you can see our Dash, a Doberman, 8 months old. He came here 3 days ago, and he has got issues with excessive barking, highly reactive dog towards other animals, people. So he is undergoing obedience training. So you can see gradually he is coming up, he is becoming less reactive. So we are using this enclosure to train him, because even if he tries to run away, so we can be able to restrict him initially. And here you can see Storm, the husky. He came here, he was rescued, he was under bad condition, and one fine gentleman, Mr. Prashant or Miss Sanvi, rescued him, and he brought to the training center, so that after the completion of the training he can be adopted to any family. So you can see he was badly injured, so we are applying the medicine, the betadine and all. Our boys, they are highly passionate about animals. So you can see what a beautiful dog it is. It was abandoned by someone, so Miss Sanvi adopted him and sent for the training. After the completion of the training, the dog will be adopted to some good family. So you can see after the training session, the dog was applied medicine and given appropriate training. When he came, he was not allowing us to touch his body or putting his leash. It took 2 days for us to get him normal with us. So this is the activity, friends, at Canines Coach. So this one, you can see our handler, he is trying to pamper the dog to get his bonding and trust. So you can see how happy Dash is with the handler. So mainly for obedience, it is only the trust will work.